Welcome to Part 5 of Body Parts Vocabulary. 41. Healthy. Meaning, being in good physical condition. Example: eating vegetables helps you stay healthy. Antonyms: sick. 42. Sick. Meaning, not feeling well because of an illness. Example: she is sick today. Antonyms: healthy. 43. Pain. Meaning, the feeling of physical suffering or discomfort. Example: I have pain in my back. 44. Hurt. Meaning, to feel pain because of an injury or accident. Example: I hurt my hand yesterday. 45. Stand. Meaning, to be on your feet in an upright position. Example: please stand here. Antonyms: sit. 46. Sit. Meaning, to rest your body on a chair or another surface. Example: please sit down. Antonyms: stand. 47. Walk. Meaning, to move by using your feet at a normal speed. Example: we walk to school every day. 48. Run. Meaning, to move quickly using your legs. Example: the children are running in the park. 49. Jump. Meaning, to push yourself off the ground with your legs. Example: the boy can jump very high. 50. Stretch. Meaning, to extend your body or muscles to make them flexible. Example: don't forget to stretch before exercising. Congratulations! You have completed the Body Parts Vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to Avetra EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.